Do you have a Tesla Model Y Juniper that was built in Berlin and you have a high-pitched squealing noise when you come to a stop? Well, I know I do. And I've taken it several times to the Tesla service center and they keep telling me that this issue is normal behavior. And I've told them I've owned 3 Teslas and this is the first one that's actually done it. Well, they have officially come out with a service bulletin. That service bulletin is SB-26-33-002. I've got a link down in the description and I'm going to go over this service bulletin with you. Here's how to get the squealing fixed, and you will not require any inspection to get it done. So let's go over what the problem is. So here's the problem. When you come to a stop, just as you're coming to the stop, you'll hear a high-pitched squealing noise, especially in cold or humid weather. So mostly first thing in the morning. And that noise will go away when your brakes warm up. So I've had this going on since day one of picking up my car, and I've had Tesla tell me several times that this is just normal behavior, and I know it's not. So anyway, this service bulletin just came out on February 25th, 2026, and this addresses that issue for Tesla Model Y Junipers that are built in Giga Berlin. This does not, there is no impact to other cars built in the United States. So if you have a Model Y that's doing the same thing that was built at the Austin plant, then you're on your own on that one. But for those of us that have a Model Y long range dual motor, because that's one of the criteria, is it has to be a dual motor long range, then you can get this fixed without any inspection. You just have to let them know that you want this fixed under the service bulletin. Let's go ahead and look at this service bulletin and we'll see what's in there. So to start off, we've got the service bulletin that was dated February 25th, 2026, and it says replace front rotors. It addresses the dual motor Model Ys 2025 or 26, and in the countries or regions of Europe, Middle East, Africa, Taiwan, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and specifically those built in Giga Berlin. This repair bulletin provides instructions on addressing a possible customer concern regarding the operation of Tesla vehicles. These instructions should only be performed by trained professionals. Model Y vehicles built in Giga Berlin, the front brakes may exhibit a squealing noise when braking in cold and or humid conditions. And the correction for this, upon customer complaint of squealing noise coming from the front brakes during the braking on a vehicle that has driven less than 50,000 kilometers, so it has to be less than 50,000 or 31,000 miles, replace the front brakes with the updated part. So they're not just replacing it with the same part. There's an updated rotor that needs to be replaced. And then they have a note on this. If this bulletin is applicable to the vehicle, so you have a 2025 or 26, and it's less than 50,000 kilometers, and was built in the Giga Berlin factory, and it's a dual motor Model Y long range, so there's some criteria. Perform the correction without any need of inspection. So I've booked this through the app, and every time I do it, even though I notify saying it's a service bulletin, they come back with an estimate, and that estimate is an inspection of the thing, of the brakes. They just need to replace it. And then they have the part numbers for the parts, and then a quick procedure. It's pretty basic. Replace the front brake rotors and burnish the brakes. Because they're not replacing the pads, they're just replacing the rotors. In one of my previous videos, I burnished my brakes because of the squealing noise, and it did go away for a day or two, but then it might not have gone away. I just hadn't driven during cold or humid, damp weather in the morning. So it's back. I still got it. It's still irritating to me. Sounds horrid, honestly. It's super loud. So let's go again one more time on what makes your car eligible for this replacement of the new updated front rotors. Your car needs to be built in the Giga Berlin factory, a Model Y long range 2025 or 26 that is dual motor, and it's for the regions of Europe, Middle East, Africa, Taiwan, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. The fix, we've just gone over that, is they will replace the rotors with updated parts in the front, and then they'll burnish the brakes. This takes about an hour, probably an hour and a half to 2 hours to get this done. And how do you book it? So this is pretty crucial in booking it. First off, book a service appointment through the app on your phone, the Tesla app. Selecting brakes, mention the squealing, coming to a stop in cold and humid mornings. Mention the service bulletin that's applicable. So that's Service Bulletin SB-26-33-002 with a correction code S012633-002. Be sure to mention the squealing in cold and humid mornings. And you should also mention in the notes that the bulletin authorizes the repair without inspection for eligible Model Y Junipers built in Berlin. I booked one yesterday at a local service center, and they told me they didn't have the parts available, so they canceled my appointment that I had booked for about a week out. So I rebooked it this morning at a different service center, actually the Coquitlam Service Center here in the Lower Mainland, and I booked it out a month in advance, so it gives them time to get the parts. They should be able to get these parts fairly quick, and let's hope that I can get this resolved. I hope this service bulletin helps those with the squealing brake issue that I have and many other drivers here in the Lower Mainland, as the only cars that we're getting that are Model Y Junipers are from Berlin, because I'm going to start doing more of these service bulletins because I think people are not aware of these service bulletins. Again, I stumbled across this one. Even though I had talked to a service rep like yesterday, and they just told me the noise will go away when the weather gets warmer. There's nothing we can do about it. Maybe by the fall they'll have a resolution for it. And come on, guys, it's a service bulletin that came out on the 25th of February. It's March 5th or 6th today, and they should have had that information and shouldn't be feeding me incorrect information, because I'm going to have that 50,000 kilometers on my car by the fall, and then it'll start making that squealing noise once again, and I'll be on the hook to pay for it. And I don't want to pay for something that they know is not working properly today. So again, be sure to stay with this channel, as I'm going to do more of these service bulletins for the Model Y Juniper. I looked at the list. I'm going to put a link down where the service bulletins are. There's a couple in there. I did hear someone in yesterday at the service center having an issue with a noise in their steering wheel, and there's a service bulletin for that. So hopefully I can help other people. Posting these service bulletins for the Model Y Juniper community will help those that are struggling with dealing with Tesla and their service center. Again, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.